Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that is by the brand called Cadence. You guys can see right here. If you guys can't see it, then I'll show you guys in a second when I open it up. So basically what this is a waterproof cycling backpack that's used for cycling and whatnot obviously, but you guys can actually use it for any kind of scenario as well. You guys don't have to use it for cycling. So let's actually open up first to actually show you guys what the product looks like and everything, and then we'll talk more about the product in a second. So when we take out the bag, this is basically what it looks like. You guys can definitely see and feel the actual product itself is waterproof. I'm not sure you can see it from the actual camera itself, but you guys can definitely feel that it's actually waterproof. I'm most likely to do like a waterproof test later, but let's open up everything and show you guys what's on here first. So right here you can see that they have their brand logo right here, Cadence, and also has like the stripes right here, and right here. So that way at nighttime people can see you and whatnot. They have a slot right here that you guys can put stuff in here. Let's open up and see what it looks like. So it's gonna be hard for me to show you guys what it looks like inside, but you guys can actually fit quite a lot of stuff in here. You guys can see how deep my hand can go. So this product would be really handy and useful, especially when it's like raining or whatnot. So on top part right here, you can see that there's this part right here. And what this part is for is right here. If you guys turn it in the back side, you guys have this part right here where you can actually fold it up. So let's fold it up and show you guys what I'm talking about. So you can actually fold it up like this and it sticks onto that part right there. You guys see? So that way this part is sealed up and none of the water can get in. And once you guys are done with that part, they have the strap right here. You can see right here. They just actually strap it onto this part right here, just like this. So you guys get like an extra layer like protection on the bag itself. So just like that. And then you can make it tighter just like this. And then that part is done right there. So you guys can see, so that part is like secured on this part. And then other sides can do the same thing as well. So if we take a look at the back part itself, you guys can see it's actually made really nice. It has that breathable material right here and right here, which is pretty awesome. You guys definitely get like the padding on the actual backpack itself right here. And going back to the front part right here, one thing that I also forgot to mention of what you guys can actually put in the front part, especially for people who ride bicycle and whatnot, you guys can actually put your repair kits or your air pumps and whatnot right in the front. So that way it's much easier for you guys to actually get access to your repair kits or your pumps in case of anything happens with your bike and whatnot. If you guys take a look right here and also right here, they have the strap for your chest and also for your waist. So that way you can actually get a secure fit, especially when you guys are riding your bicycle. You guys don't want your backpack to fall off and whatnot. But I definitely love the back part of the backpack because of the breathable material. Give you guys that really nice kind of airflow, especially with the little gap that they have right here and here. So that's the overall backpack from the front side and the back side. Let's open up the inside and show you guys what the inside looks like. So when we open up the inside, this is what it looks like inside here, as you can see. So there's definitely a lot of room inside. So it has a compartment inside where it's actually putting your laptop like right there, as you can see. This one can fit up to like a 15-inch laptop. They have like two different pockets that they actually put stuff in as well. So definitely the overall backpack itself is super spacious. You guys have a lot of room to put a lot of stuff in here. You guys can put like multiple laptops if you guys want to in here. You can put all your like schoolwork. You guys can put all your like phones, power banks. Whatever you guys want to put in here, there's enough room to put a lot of stuff in here. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like. And then we're going to go do a quick waterproof test. So this is basically what the product looks like, if you can see. So the back part, this is what it looks like right here. It definitely has a really nice fitting and everything. It has that kind of like professional look for like a cyclist and whatnot, so that's actually pretty cool. You guys can strap the front part right here like this. You guys also strap the bottom part right here, which is your waist part right here, just like this. And then tighten up like this. So that way you guys get like a secure fit right here and also the top part as well right here. But let me turn around and show you guys what the back part looks like. So this is what the back part looks like this, if you guys can see. So now that I showed you guys what is inside the bag itself and how it actually looks like when you guys put it on, now let me actually go do a quick waterproof test to show you guys whether or not it's actually waterproof or whatnot. Alright, so right here we have the backpack itself. We're going to do a quick waterproof test or water resistant test to show you guys whether or not it's actually water resistant or not. So I'm going to turn on some cold water and just start blasting it on the actual backpack first to show you guys whether or not it's actually waterproof and whatnot. Alright, so we got some water right here. The water is like super repellent and it's not like sticking on or anything, so that's actually really cool. But for the remainder of water that you can see on here, just use like a towel and wipe it off. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the waterproof test, you can see that actually it does work and it works really well. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself and the waterproof test itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So honestly, for me, I think this is really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. And especially if you guys are like a cyclist or whatnot, that you guys need like a really nice backpack that's super handy, has like all the easy access part right here in the front part, and has like the waterproof material. The overall feel of the product definitely feels super nice, super high quality, a lot of space inside as well, so you guys don't have to worry about not having enough space to put your stuff inside. But obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And if for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have